प्रेग्नेंट विमेन का जो अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड जो है ना, वहां का वेन से ब्लड सैंपल्स लिए गए, उसमें भी पाए गए हैं एयर पोल्यूशन के प्रोडक्ट.
So the unborn also gets affected.
Yes, and that is the biggest problem. So people have to understand that air pollution will almost give you the same damage as cigarette smoking.
Agarbattis and all this is also part of pollution which affects the
Yes,
lung.
I think everyone will identify with this.
I'm telling you, the best of hotels are using this still.
This is one of the worst reasons for indoor air pollution. Worst.
Vaping and cigarettes. What is dangerous?
Diacetyl. That is present in vapes. जब इसकी quantity बहुत ज़्यादा जब अंदर जाता है, your lung actually develops a very severe form of asthma.
Face masks, do they really help? And which type should be used, like in Mumbai, Delhi?
N95, N99. This sort of a mask will help you in air pollution.
The Delhi pollution is supposed to be crazy. We are almost reaching there in Mumbai.
Actually, मुंबई का आउटसाइड AQI मैं पॉडकास्ट के जस्ट पहले मैं चेक किया इस 118. लेकिन मैं आपको सवाल पूछता हूँ, Are you having any symptoms?
No.
I am not having any. Both of us are not. Because our body is getting used to it. We do not know what is clean है. ये problem है.
After the COVID situation, have our lungs gone really bad than before? In a world of pollution, stress and shortcuts like vaping, our lungs quietly suffer. Today on Who's on Air, I'm joined with Dr. Kapil Iyer, a leading transplant pulmonologist from Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai, to talk about lungs, life and why every breath matters. Here on Who's on Air, we have Dr. Kapil Iyer. Thank you so much for coming, doctor.
Thank you so much, Kanbash bhai. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Pulmonologist.
हाँ जी.
क्या मतलब होता है इसका?
तो एक्चुअली देखो, पल्मोलॉजी मैं खुश हूँ कि लोगों का एटलीस्ट ये वोकेबुलरी में आया हुआ है, बिकॉज टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट 8 to 10 years बैक और उसके थोड़े पहले वी वर स्ट्रगलिंग. सो पल्मोलॉजिस्ट इज अ स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफ द लंग्स.
Okay.
इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. व्हाई आई स्ट्रेस ऑन द फैक्ट दैट लोग इसको नजरअंदाज करते थे, बिकॉज कोविड के पहले आप देखोगे तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल नेवर रियली पेड अटेंशन टू योर लंग्स. यू नो, पीपल पेड अटेंशन टू प्रोबेबली योर हार्ट, योर ब्रेन एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन्स. बट डेफिनेटली आफ्टर कोविड the knowledge about such a branch has increased, and एक तरफ से अच्छा है कि लोगों की vocabulary में pulmonology शब्द आ चुका है.
So pulmonologist, what do you all do in fact? It's purely about lungs, everything to do with lungs.
So it's about lungs, and remember जब मैं lungs बोलता तो the airways जो हम बोलते हैं, it actually starts from the nose, यहाँ से पूरा जब जाता है.
Okay.
So any disease right from here till the periphery of the lungs, our lungs is also covered by a covering which we call as pleura. You know, आप कभी अक्सर आपने सुना रहेगा अगर इसके छाती में पानी भर गया है, यू नो, लोग ऐसे सुने रहेंगे कि वो एक इंजेक्शन डाल के पानी निकाल लेते. एग्जैक्टली. सो ये सारी भी जो डिजीजेस है ये भी हम डील करते हैं. सो राइट फ्रॉम एलर्जीज से लेके ब्रोंकियल एस्थमा से लेके स्मोकिंग रिलेटेड लंग डिजीजेस से लेके देयर आर सर्टेन डिजीजेस जिसके कारण लंग का जो टिश्यू है ये स्कार टिश्यू में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. इट्स नोन मेडिकली एज फाइब्रोसिस.
Right.
And you'll be surprised to know one of the common causes in our country, and I'm stressing on the fact that one of the common causes is exposure to pigeons.
Yeah, this has been prevalent and there's a whole lot of cases, thoughts, fights happening right now.
हाँ जी. I mean, there's a religious aspect of it. I'm not entering into that, but medical aspect ऐसा है कि हाँ, लॉन्ग टर्म एक्सपोजर अगर आप पिजन फेदर्स एंड पिजन एक्सक्रीटा के साथ जब एक इंसान का होता है, एंड सर्टन इंडिविजुअल्स, नॉट एवरी इंडिविजुअल, सर्टन इंडिविजुअल्स will develop a condition जहां पे आपका lung tissue slowly starts getting replaced by scar tissue, और इसको हम बोलते हैं fibrosis. So these patients सालों सालों तक सूखा खांसी रहता है, progressive breathlessness, eventually they come on oxygen, and one of the indications for lung transplantation in fact is this disease.
We'll come to lung transplantation because that's where that's your expertise is about.
Yes.
Coming to one is pigeons. I'll just go back 2 years back now where I lost my sister.
I'm sorry.
And it so happened कि when we got her into hospital, they said 80% of her lungs are damaged. And there were two thoughts which came in. One is probably it was, they said she might have gone through this COVID thing. जिसकी वजह से probably our lungs capacity has decreased. Second, they said कि probably it's the pigeon related issue, which is a possibility. But there was no detection. She was living normal. She was fine. She used to be low on energies, but we never realized. 2 days and she was gone. So what do you think of something like this could happen?
सबसे पहली बात, आई एम रियली सॉरी टू हियर अबाउट योर सिस्टर, एंड सेकंड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू नेम एनी हॉस्पिटल की कहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, बट जिस हिसाब से आप मुझे बता रहे हो दैट एनी पल्मोलॉजिस्ट जब एक बोलता है, व्हेन यू हियर दैट 80% ऑफ योर लंग इज डैमेज्ड, आई एम ऑब्वियसली अज्यूमिंग दैट योर सिस्टर ऑल्सो हैड सम फॉर्म ऑफ लंग फाइब्रोसिस.
Probably.
लंग फाइब्रोसिस के बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं. स्मोकिंग इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस, ऑक्यूपेशन इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस, एक्सपोजर टू पिजन्स इज वन ऑफ द रीजन. हम कोविड के बाद भी हम देखते हैं द वेरी टर्म इज पोस्ट कोविड फाइब्रोसिस. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे देयर आर सर्टेन सिस्टमिक डिजीजेस जिसकी एक बाय प्रोडक्ट इज लंग फाइब्रोसिस. आपने आर्थराइटिस सुना रहेगा, तो रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस करके ऐसे अलग अलग बीमारी होते हैं, उनके बाय प्रोडक्ट भी लंग में होते हैं.
Is it?
Yes, so some of these patients can have lung manifestations. So when you don't know so much of the background, it is very difficult to pinpoint and say कि भैया देखो आपको so and so के कारण ये disease हो चुका है. And why we struggle is traditionally हमारे पास patients come at a very late stage. जैसा आपने बोला था, it was low on energy, समझा नहीं कि क्या हुआ. But the problem is that our population में सहनशीलता जो बोलते हैं ना, सहन शक्ति बहुत हाई है. सो छोटा मोटा ब्रेथलेसनेस ये सब, नो वन विल कम टू अ पल्मोलॉजिस्ट. इट्स ओनली व्हेन योर लंग्स आर रियली डैमेज्ड तब जाके एक कंसल्टेशन होता है, which unfortunately I feel was evidenced in your case.
So people with bronchitis, asthma, when they have this breathlessness, they need to visit a pulmonologist.
110%. कोई भी breathlessness आपको हो, see, you need to reach a specialist. Any breathlessness, any reason, you feel you're low on energy, आप 3 माला चढ़ सकते हो, अचानक एक में आपके सांसें फूल रही है, just get yourself evaluated.
And that's the best way to probably prevent from what's going to come.
100%. It's always the best way. Get to a specialist as soon as possible.
We spoke about pollution. The Delhi pollution is supposed to be crazy. We are almost reaching there in Mumbai. So how does long-term like air pollution actually harm our lungs? Is the damage permanent or is it like probably can be saved?
देखिए, एयर पोल्यूशन बहुत ही बर्निंग इशू है राइट नाउ. सो समझना है इसके, देयर आर सर्टेन एस्पेक्ट्स व्हिच आपके पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू आई वांट द ऑडियंस टू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इफेक्ट्स. देयर आर शॉर्ट टर्म, देयर आर लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट्स. नाउ एयर पोल्यूशन में शॉर्ट टर्म इफेक्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा प्रिविलेंट रहते हैं. इट स्टार्ट्स राइट फ्रॉम योर स्किन, योर आई इरिटेशन, आपका नोज में जब देखो राइनाइटिस होता रहता है, बैक ऑफ योर थ्रोट इन्फ्लेमेशन, आपके एयरवेज जो एस्थमेटिक्स है दे कैन नॉट कम आउट, दे कीप गेटिंग ब्रेथलेस, दे कीप वीजिंग. ये सारे शॉर्ट टर्म इफेक्ट्स है. लॉन्ग टर्म है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी सिंगल रेस्पिरेटरी इलनेस, चाहे वो एस्थमा हो, चाहे वो स्मोकिंग रिलेटेड डिजीज हो, चाहे वो सीओपीडी हो, चाहे वो लंग फाइब्रोसिस है, कोई भी डिजीज आप अगर लोगे, इट गेट्स मच वर्स बिकॉज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन. ये आपको समझना है. दूसरा चीज आपको एक समझना है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक शब्द सुना रहेगा PM 2.5, करेक्ट?
Not me.
सो ठीक है, सो एयर पोल्यूशन जैसा AQI, everyone would have heard of AQI.
Yeah.
AQI is air quality index, which again if you see in cities and metros, people have heard it. If you go in the villages, no one has heard of it. So AQI is nothing but an algorithmic sort of a score. 5-6 चीजें रहते हैं, उन सबको कितनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, उसकी एक एल्गोरिथम स्कोर कैलकुलेट करके AQI हम बोलते हैं. ये जो चीजें हैं मतलब क्या, जैसे कुछ वॉलेटाइल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हो गए, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड हो गया, इंडिया में है तो अमोनिया, लेड, ये सारों के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट है. इसमें 2 चीज आता है, PM 2.5 एंड PM 10.
Okay.
PM literally stands for particulate matter.
Okay.
Why is this important? जो 2.5 हम बोलते हैं is 2.5 microns size of this matter. देखिए, आपका और मेरा जो बाल है ना, ये 50 माइक्रोन का होता है, 50-60 माइक्रोन. ये पार्टिकल्स 2.5 माइक्रोन्स का है.
It's microscopic.
It's less than that also. So you and me, when we are going, when the PM 2.5 gets into our nose, into our lungs, this can actually from the lungs get into the bloodstream and can affect every single part ऑफ आवर बॉडी.
Solution.
सो इसके लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को सिर्फ लगता है कि इट्स ओनली द लंग्स विच आर अफेक्टेड. ऐसा नहीं है. वी हैव गॉट स्टडीज जहां पे प्रेग्नेंट विमेन का जो अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड जो है ना, वहां का वेन से ब्लड सैंपल से जब लिए गए सैंपलिंग ब्लड, उसमें भी पाए गए हैं एयर पोल्यूशन के प्रोडक्ट्स.
So the unborn also gets affected.
Yes, and that is the biggest problem. We have got newborn smokers in our society. आज आप यहाँ से बाहर जाएंगे, कोई भी कोई बच्चा अगर born है, unfortunately that person is also a smoker. Why? Because the air pollution is so bad. अब मैं आपको सिंपल एक बता दूं, PM 2.5 क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप बहुत सारे लोग PM 2.5 का नंबर देखते हैं, 200 है, 220 है, no one pays attention. लोग को पता नहीं क्या है. You divide that number by 22.
Okay.
For example, आप suppose PM 2.5 220 है, divided by 22, आपको मिल गया 10. It means कि आप और मैं एक दिन में because of that PM 2.5 are smoking 10 cigarettes.
Indoors also.
It can 100%. Indoor pollution is a very, very important topic.
We'll talk about that.
Yes. So people have to understand that air pollution will almost give you the same damage as cigarette smoking.
My God.
और पहले तो देखो हमको ऐसा लगता था ना कि हम हिस्ट्री में पूछते थे आप स्मोकर हो नॉन स्मोकर हो. वी हैड अ वेरी सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आइदर यू आर स्मोकर और यू आर नॉन स्मोकर. अब बिकॉज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन ये डिमार्केशन का लाइन ही नहीं है. ऑल ऑफ अस आर स्मोकर्स. मैं तो ये स्टेटमेंट बोलूंगा कि हम सब यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग मौजूद है, हम स्मोकर्स हैं.
So you mean to say the air content has similar stuff like what a cigarette or a
Yes.
cigar or whatever would have?
Yes, yes. So I want people to understand this. That is the problem of air pollution. And now ask yourself, अगर मैं आपको एक सिंपल सवाल पूछूं, does smoking cause lung damage?
Yes.
100%, सब जानते हैं. Therefore, even air pollution will cause permanent damage.
So what is the most common signs that it's affecting me, the children, my child? How do you know that?
The problem is that it's not got a specific sign.
Okay.
Every single part of your body will cry for help.
Okay.
So for example, I'll tell you, you suddenly start having nasal discharge and all. समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या है करके. We treat this as a common cold. You suddenly start getting skin irritation, reddening, itching वैसे होता है. We treat this as some sort of an allergy. बैक ऑफ द थ्रोट आपको जब देखो परेशानी होती रहती है, आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ अटक गया है वहाँ पे, फेरेंजाइटिस हो गया, टॉन्सिलाइटिस हो गया, ये सारे एयर पोल्यूशन के मैनिफेस्टेशंस है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज इट्स नॉट स्पेसिफिक फॉर एयर पोल्यूशन. So that's the issue. So it runs under the mask of other diseases.
So the face masks, the other masks which we use,
हाँ जी.
do they really help? And which type should we use, like in Mumbai, Delhi?
एक्चुअली देखिए, मैं आपके पॉडकास्ट के लिए थोड़ा सा मैं चीज़ें
Yes,
लाया हूँ.
yes, I
आई वुड
love
लाइक टू लोगों को पहले बता दूँ. सबसे पहली बात, जस्ट गो बैक 2021-22 जब कोविड वाज एट इट्स पीक. वन थिंग जो इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा था वो फेस मास्क, जो क्लॉथ मास्क जो होता है.
Yes, yes.
अलग अलग रंग बिरंगे, एंड इट बिकेम एन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ.
Absolutely.
अगेंस्ट एयर पोल्यूशन जीरो हेल्प. जीरो. देयर इज नॉट इवन अ डिबेट. यू फील, आपको लगता है कि अरे यार बहुत अच्छा कलर वाला मैं मास्क पहना हुआ, इट विल नॉट हेल्प. बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, PM 2.5 इज रियली स्मॉल.
Okay.
सेकेंड जो होता है, आप लोग में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये देखा हुआ है, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज अ सर्जिकल मास्क. यूल सी अ लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स वेयर दिस, थिएटर्स वेटर्स में सब ये काफ़ी ये पहनते हैं. इसमें भी बैरियर अगेंस्ट एयर पोल्यूशन एंड PM 2.5 इज प्रैक्टिकली नथिंग.
Is it?
Yes, this is actually for diseases such as tuberculosis or something, जहाँ पे the patient if he wears it, the spread will decrease because they're slightly bigger particles. ये वाला भी आप लोग में से बहुत सारे लोग ने देखा रहेगा. दिस इज इन कोविड जब दिखा हुआ था. दिस इज नोन एज एन N95. देयर आर टू टाइप्स, N95 N99. जो 95 और 99 जो नंबर है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
अच्छा.
बिकॉज उतना परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ये आपको ऑफर करता है. So this sort of a mask or N99 will help you in air pollution.
Okay.
Provided you have a correct fit. In
Okay.
COVID, you used to see small children wear big masks. It's gone. इधर उधर से आराम से आ जाएगा. So it has to really be a very nice fit. So this is the mask which will help you.
Okay. So you would say these kind of masks are better.
Yeah.
But for children, there's a different size.
Yes. It comes in different sizes.
Okay. So, coming to this indoors, you said indoor also it's affected, like cooking, then using agarbattis and all those. This is also part of pollution which affects the
Yes,
lungs.
so इंडोर एयर पोल्यूशन में यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड, सबसे ज़्यादा हमारी कंट्री में आपको पता है क्या था? चूल्हा।
हाँ.
तो जैसे बहुत सारे लोग को वो बोलते हैं ना, वो एकदम हार्डकोर फूडीज, दे यूज्ड टू लव दिस चूल्हे वाला बना हुआ वो रोटी रहना चाहिए, वैसा रहे, एक अलग फील एक आता है. सो एक्चुअली चूल्हा स्मोक एंड चूल्हा एक्सपोजर इन आवर कंट्री, सो वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट कॉजेस ऑफ indoor air pollution. And obviously because it's the female who's cooking, they are the ones who are affected. So chula, any sort of indoor air pollution, जैसे for example अगरबत्ती आपने बताया, अगरबत्ती causes बहुत सारा केसेस में आप देखे रहेंगे, you've got the short thick stubs जिसको हम धूप बोलते हैं.
धूप बोलते हैं.
आप अगर नोटिस करोगे, आप उसको करोगे ना, तो the amount of smoke is too high. बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा धूप सब ये आता है. That is a very important cause. बहुत सारे लोग कैसे क्लोज्ड एटमॉस्फेयर में समटाइम्स दे हैव गॉट दिस ह्यूज हवन व्हिच यू डू, सो यू कीप बर्निंग, अंदर एक आग चलता ही रहता है. दैट गिव्स राइज टू अ लॉट ऑफ पोल्यूशन. एंड you've got all these fragrances and all of that जो हम यूज करते हैं. यस, हम लोग को लगता है इट्स एन एयर प्यूरिफायर एंड फ्रेशनर और सब करो, लोगों को अंदर आए तो अच्छा लगेगा, स्मेल बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है करके. बट ऑल ऑफ दीज एंड you've got different companies, अलग-अलग है. I'm obviously covering the name because don't want any problem, but ये सारे भी है, and this is available in every household.
No, but washroom we put, but I don't want to name the brand, but we usually have those things which we just tag in.
All of that gives rise. In fact, if you go to थोड़ा सा interior part, I think everyone will identify with this.
I'm telling you, the best of hotels are using this still.
Exactly.
Because the mosquito scene.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is one of the worst reasons for indoor air pollution. Worst.
Is it?
आप ये अगर डालोगे तो इसके कारण जो आपका PM 2.5 खराब जो होगा इंडोर environment में, I'm telling you it's one of the worst causes of indoor air pollution. So we have to you have to remove all of this from our houses. You've got those mosquito nets, get those.
But see, we are so used to staying in metros.
Correct.
We are used to all this. इसको अभी sudden change कैसे लाएगा?
देखिए, कोई भी चेंज सडन नहीं होता है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बट हाँ, अभी देखो जैसे आपके पॉडकास्ट के द्वारा एटलीस्ट ये इन्फॉर्मेशन तो जा रहा है लोगों के पास कि ये सब हार्मफुल है. You can start with one thing, right? Not everything. See, now to be very honest, this government has got rid of majority of chulhas in the villages and all.
Right.
They've got gas.
Yes.
इसके पीछे one of the main reasons भी यही है.
Okay. The health issues.
Yes. The rural population of India was really suffering because of this. They have done. So it seems, see, it was one step, but it has really changed the lives of so many women.
Absolutely.
So yes, why can't you and I just stop one item? एक महीने के लिए आप मत यूज करो मस्कीटो जो कॉइल्स है, मत यूज करो.
No, that's a great thing to know of what you said right now. But ये जो हम जो यूज करते हैं, अगरबत्ती, धूप, ये जो फ्रेग्रेंसेस, इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? हमें आदत हो गई है इस चीज की.
भक्ति दिल में रखिए. I feel भक्ति दिल में रखिए. You've got those electric diyas जो है ना, जो लाइट वाले लैंप्स वो सब जो आते हैं, you can use that, right?
Okay, they are a little more safer.
Yeah,
not completely.
It's an electric one, right? Electric आप switch on करो तो वो एक जलता है. So वो आप you can.
So what I read before also कि जो fragrances होते हैं ना, जो again we put it in a flame and that vaporizes, that also is pretty not good at all.
Yes, it's not good at all.
How do you distinguish कि ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है? Is there any
according to me, all these things which we use every day, right from कलपूरम से लेके धूप से लेके अगर all of these are bad. The degrees might change.
Okay.
जैसे अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे तो I frankly feel that a धूप is much worse compared to an अगरबत्ती.
Okay.
Because आप खुद देखो, it's a thick stub, right? आप उसको करोगे तो suddenly आप देखोगे there's a whiff of smoke which comes. So वो सब खराब है definitely.
When you go to the airport, they'll catch you for something which is a vape. बोलते कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो, vape लेके नहीं जा सकते. And I had incidents, one of the youngsters who was traveling with us, and they said, and she was all in tears कि मुझे I can't carry it. Internationally it's allowed. Why it's not allowed in India? I was actually happy कि नहीं allow किया उसे. But vaping and cigarettes, what is dangerous?
सबसे पहली बात सल्यूट टू द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट है कि वेपिंग इलीगल है. आई एग्री विथ यू कि आप जो बोल रहे हो करेक्ट है. वेपिंग एंड सिगरेट दोनों ही खराब है. बोथ ऑफ देम
Which is worse?
Yes, cigarette is worse compared to a vape, but the problem is you need to understand कि देख I've got, see the problem is there's a whole industry built on this. Now this is a normal cigarette.
What we get?
ये आपके शो के लिए मैं खरीदा. I just wanted to know कि I am a non-smoker. मैं पहले disclaimer दे दूँ. So 8 to 10 rupees.
Yes.
I was surprised to see you've got these very thin, sleek looking cigarettes.
Pretty looking ones.
Yes. और इसको मैं जब उसको पूछा कि भैया ये क्या है, नहीं ये लेडी सिगरेट है. लेडी सिगरेट मतलब क्या होता है? It's just marketing and branding to appeal to the aesthetics, you know, for females. Content same ही है, but it's like जहर आपके पास है, आप अलग अलग फॉर्म में आप you know poison भेज रहे हो. Same है, same. Absolutely. ये हमारा the one and only
बीड़ी जलाई ले.
बीड़ी जलाई ले. देखो हाँ, बीड़ी का तो एक पैकेट 10 रुपए का है. Can you imagine? So it's a poor man's.
Almost 12, 14 of it inside.
Yeah, that's the 10 inside. When I checked, it was 10. But see, all of them contain at least 5,000 chemicals inside. 5,000 chemicals. लोगों को सिर्फ टोबैको पता है और निकोटीन, दो चीज पता है. But इतने सारे chemical constituents होता है एक सिगरेट के अंदर, and there are many out of this which can give rise to cancer.
Just will add a point here. मैं बात करूँगा इसके कि there are cigarettes which are supposed to be tasty, it's healthy. आयुर्वेद का ये भी बोला जाता है. But उसकी कहानी क्या है?
कमलाक्ष भाई आप शॉक हो जाओगे. 1930s, 40s and 50s में cigarette companies used to use doctors as their brand ambassadors. Seriously, I want your listeners, your viewers to right now Google. Just Google करो. 1950 cigarette ads doctors. They will get the answer. ऐसे ही है, you know, ये एक brand है. 20,000 doctors are recommending this because this has got less throat irritation. Why less throat irritation? You will be surprised. There are certain cigarette companies which added a drug inside the cigarette, जिसको हम मेडिकली मिथाइल xanthines बोलते हैं.
Okay.
उसका पर्पस ऐसा था कि आपको जो कॉफ होता है ना, वो कॉफ ना हो एंड आपको ब्रोंको डायलेटर जैसे हम बोलते हैं, ताकि श्वास नली जो है थोड़ा सा डायलेट हो जाए, यू डोंट गेट द कॉफ.
That's the only thing.
That's the only thing. So because a lot of people stop smoking because कॉफ हो गया, तो जाने दो, आपका कॉफ ही नहीं, आप ये मत करो, आप प्लीज कंटिन्यू कीजिए. सो ये सारा जो है ब्रांडिंग, एडवर्टाइजिंग, मार्केटिंग का जमाना है. Vapes was originally in many countries, even now. Vapes is like a step down cigarette.
Okay.
आपको सिगरेट छोड़ना है, आप एक काम करो, सिगरेट छोड़ दो, वेप ले लो. क्योंकि इसमें में निकोटीन कंटेंट जो है थोड़ा सा कम है कंपेयर्ड टू अ सिगरेट. बट वेरी ऑफन व्हाट यू सी इज पीपल गेट एडिक्टेड टू बोथ.
अच्छा.
सिगरेट भी है, वेप भी चल रहा है. एंड वेप इज अलग अलग कलर में, यू नो, पर्पल, रेड, अलग अलग ऐसे फ्लेवर में आ जाता है. यू फील माचो, यू फील रियली गुड. एंड फीमेल्स विल हैव लाइक अ फेमिनिन कलर, यू नो, यू फील वेरी अच्छा से एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, एक यू नो, आप एक पफ ले रहे हो सॉर्ट ऑफ. बट इट्स ऑल मार्केटिंग. Both of them contain harmful chemicals. Both of them can give rise to cancer. In fact, in vaping, दो conditions के बारे में मैं definitely जिक्र करना चाहूँगा. Many studies, again I want your viewers to Google this out. You've got VALI करके, VALI करके component था, vaping induced acute lung injury.
Thing called EVALI which is there, right?
Same, it's the same.
The
EVALI is the same
EVALI
thing.
is the same thing.
It's many people after vaping develop this condition acutely. They just worsened. ऑक्सीजन एकदम डाउन हो गया. दे हैड टू रीच एन ICU. एक्सरे जब खींचा तो दोनों एक्सरे एकदम लाइक बाइल, दोनों जगह पे एकदम निमोनिया जैसे एकदम कंडीशन हो गया. दे हैड टू गो ऑन द वेंटिलेटर. यू हैव गॉट केस रिपोर्ट्स ऑन दिस. आई वांट योर व्यूअर्स टू प्लीज सर्च दिस. और दूसरा एक चीज है जो वेपिंग के साथ एसोसिएटेड है, अगेन इज एन एंटिटी नोन एज पॉपकॉर्न लंग. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हर्ड ऑफ.
Never heard of this.
पॉपकॉर्न इंडस्ट्री में जो है ना, बटरिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ एक केमिकल एक यूज करते हैं, उसका नाम है डाईएसिटाइल.
Okay.
इट्स लाइक एक फ्लेवरिंग, पॉपकॉर्न जो एक फ्लेवरिंग जैसे एक रहता है, दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन वेप्स.
Okay.
जब इसकी क्वांटिटी बहुत ज्यादा जब अंदर जाता है, योर लंग एक्चुअली डेवलप्स अ वेरी सिवियर फॉर्म ऑफ एस्थमा.
You might never had it like
नेवर आपको कोई पहले एस्थमा की हिस्ट्री नहीं हो, लेकिन आप डेवलप हो जाती है. मैं एस्थमा शब्द यूज कर रहा हूं बिकॉज योर व्यूअर्स विल अंडरस्टैंड
that.
एस्थमा. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ स्मॉल एयरवे डिजीज. तो इसको हम स्पेसिफिकली पॉपकॉर्न लंग बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
सो मैं हाथ जोड़ के सब लोग को बोलता हूँ, प्लीज सिगरेट तो छोड़ ही दो, और वेपिंग इटसेल्फ देयर इज नो रिप्लेसमेंट. दोनों ही खराब है. प्लीज डू नॉट सिलेक्ट एनी वन ओवर द अदर.
So somebody's been vaping for a while now, and then they leave it listening to the podcast.
Yeah.
Do you think there'll be some benefits, and how quickly do you think their lungs will recover?
Leaving cigarette and vaping is a very complicated procedure, first of all.
Yeah, personal level pe.
Personal level पे. The number one and the strongest indicator to leave cigarette or vape is over here. It's your willpower.
Absolutely.
It's your mental strength. But I would recommend strongly कि कोई अगर जा रहा है तो please visit a psychologist, and this has to be a constant to and fro. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई आज मैं नहीं करना है, छोड़ो, मैं छोड़ दूंगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है. People, more than 90% of the people fail and they go back. So please visit a psychologist. There will be like an extensive thing which will go on, बहुत सारे triggers identify करेंगे, बहुत कुछ. निकोटीन आपके शरीर से 8 दिन में चली जाता है.
अच्छा.
बट निकोटीन हैज गॉट समथिंग नोन एज लाइक अ निकोटीन मेमोरी लूप जो डोपामीन रिलीज करता है. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम आल्सो दीस पीपल वंस दे सी द ट्रिगर्स, कुछ लोग को चाय एक ट्रिगर है. हम वेरी कॉमन बोलते हैं ना, चलो चाय सुट्टा मारने जाते हैं. सो वो एक ट्रिगर हो जाता है. तो ये सारों चीज़ों पे काम करने के लिए इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग.
Okay.
So I request everyone who's watching this who wants to quit, please visit a psychologist. Be mentally strong, visit a psychologist, and then we can work on things.
Okay. But the lungs can be brought back to.
It depends on what is the stage of lung damage. I am very specific in that. Smoking related, जैसे for example हम medically एक disease हम बोलते हैं COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. I'm not going to go into specifics, but ये जब एक डेवलप हो जाता है तो आप सिगरेट जब छोड़ोगे ना तो आपका लंग फंक्शन मेंटेन करके थोड़ा सा रिकवर होता है. वंस द डिजीज इज डायग्नोस्ड एंड वंस द डिजीज हैज फॉर्म्ड. इफ यू स्टॉप स्मोकिंग एनीवेयर बिफोर द डिजीज is sets in your lungs, definitely your lungs will have a very good recovery.
Okay.
So it depends कि आप कौन से स्टेज में आप छोड़ रहे हो. At any stage, I strongly recommend that you should stop स्मोकिंग एट एनी स्टेज. आपको स्टॉप करना ही है. कितना आपका लंग फंक्शन रिकवर होगा, इट डिपेंड्स कि आपका लंग्स को ऑलरेडी कितना डैमेज है.
Bollywood, Hollywood, all these movies actually propagate some, though they have the small tiny line there. The known actors are the ones who actually smoke in real life also. I heard something where they said कि they go abroad, they kind of clean their lungs and come back and all that. ऐसा कुछ होता है in real?
No, there is unfortunately nothing like that. Someone might just be doing like a bronchoscopy clean, or they might be going for some other activity. I don't know. लेकिन ऐसा there is no machine or a procedure कि मैंने switch on कर दिया और आपके lungs suddenly सारे tobacco बाहर चला गया. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Nothing of that sort. But yes, these people do have a big responsibility. Not to propagate any of this. Not only cigarette, even तंबाकू आप देखो.
Absolutely.
आप गुटखा देखो. The entire industry runs on a few faces. For money, you're destroying the youth. तो मैं तो इनफैक्ट रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप ये सब बंद कीजिए. And we want more celebrities to come forward and even if they are smokers, talk about how they quit. आप रिसेंटली देखिए आमिर खान राज शमानी के पॉडकास्ट में आया था. And he had said that for Dangal, he went for wrestling coaching. So his coach had one rule: if you are a smoker, you're not coming on this mat. मैं आपको नहीं सिखाऊंगा. And Amir Khan had to do it. He had to quit. And he said it in that podcast. कि यार ऐसे ऐसे हो गया तो मैंने डिसाइड किया नहीं करूंगा मैं. ऐसे role models we need.
Absolutely, absolutely. We need more of them who can come out and talk about this. You know, in yoga, when we do yoga, the lungs are divided into 3 parts, is what we say: the lower, the mid, and the upper part of the lung. That's how the shape of the lungs is. So, doing yoga, does it help in recovery for people who are going through some stress? I mean, of course, after the kind of treatments you all give.
100%. All of these are additional treatments. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि see, if you've got a disease, एक core treatment है. जैसे for example inhalers or whatever हो गया. That is a core treatment. But all of these things which you do additionally, I am not only including yoga, I am including even pranayam, even deep breathing, generally being fit. Just walking, running, आपको जो भी activity आप जब कर रहे हो, all of these activities 100% aid in lung health.
Okay.
So there is no restriction on any of this. But the problem that sometimes we see is people pay attention only to this and stop the main treatment. So that should not happen. These both have to go together.
They have to be hand in hand.
100. और मैं आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग एक बात बता देता हूँ कि सी लंग्स ना टू अंडरस्टैंड दे लाइक अ पेयर ऑफ बलून्स. ठीक है, लेकिन वो बलून्स को आपको इन्फ्लेट भी करना है और डिफ्लेट भी करना है, राइट, एवरी सांस में. दिस movement of the lungs is only because of the respiratory muscles. Lungs per se don't inflate and deflate, it's the respiratory muscles. That is why all of these breathing activities जो आप बोल रहे हो, योगा आप बोल रहे हो, प्राणायाम बोल रहे हो, what do? They strengthen the muscles.
Okay.
If the muscles are strong, your breathing will automatically improve.
Okay.
So you have to understand this concept.
So what are the habits people should stop right away to get their lung health in place? And what are the everyday habits which kind of harm people?
Number one, don't be like me. Don't be obese. Huh? Thoda sa, I want everyone to lose weight, to be healthy. Adopt all these deep breathing exercises, walking, jo bhi hai. Diet plays a very important role.
Okay.
Stop all these saturated fats and stop all these deep fried and all of that. Simple spasht khana if you have, it will definitely help. Overall, it helps your overall cleansing. Keep yourself physically active, and if you have got any sort of disease or breathlessness, you're not able to understand, reach a specialist as soon as possible. Okay, and avoid all sorts of indoor air pollution. See, outdoor sometimes is not in your and my hand, but indoor at least जो है is in our hand, right? So चूल्हा जो है वो सब आप बंद कीजिए, अगरबत्ती वो सब बंद कीजिए. Any sort of, if you're a smoker, please quit. बीड़ी, तंबाकू, vapes, whatever it is, please quit all of that. Your body will thank you.
Food is one thing, and then you said pranayam, yoga, this and
Yeah.
what is the addition which you feel that everybody should apply when they start the day? आपको लगता है कि strengthen their lungs?
I will say deep breathing and exercises.
Any workout helps?
Any workout will help.
Yes, too.
Obviously, the workout should be tailored as per your physical
As per-
limitations and capacity.
Okay.
Any sort of workout will help.
So you recommend workout is the thing. Coming to you being a lung specialist,
Yeah.
somebody's lungs are gone.
Yeah.
You have done transplants which are, you are probably one of the few, isn't it? Like, because that's a very specialized part. And what is the thing about it? Just give me an explanation, how it works. What is the last part when you have to go for something like this?
Right. So majority of the lung diseases will reach a stage where whatever medically you treat, it's not going to be enough.
Okay.
That is the time when you start thinking about lung transplantation.
Okay.
आपको मेडिकली कंप्लीटली ऑप्टिमाइज हो चुके हो, आपके इनहेलर्स है, टैबलेट्स है, जो भी है, एवरीथिंग इज ऑप्टिमाइज्ड. स्टिल अगर फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, पेशेंट्स कंडीशन इज वर्सनिंग, ब्रेथलेसनेस इज इंक्रीजिंग, ऑक्सीजन पे आ चुका है पेशेंट, ऑक्सीजन डिपेंडेंट हो चुका है. वी हैव गॉट पेशेंट्स हु आर 24/7 ऑन ऑक्सीजन.
अच्छा.
They don't know what is a normal life. They cannot go from here till that camera. They're just bedbound. And you've got nothing to offer but a lung transplantation.
Okay. And
Remember? So now in our country, lung transplantation probably 10 years back would hardly have been an option. Because it's an evolving branch, and in India it is quite recent. Lekin I'm very happy to say that this year and last year, and India has done almost 250 to 300 transplants per year. I'm talking about lung transplants, which is a huge thing. I talk to people and लोग सुनी अरे lung transplant India में भी होता है. This is their question. It very much happens. We have got individual centers who have crossed 600 lung transplants.
And this has to be a donor who's no more. That's
Yes.
how it works.
So organ donation roughly 2 types के होते हैं. One is a living donor. A lot of people would have heard कि
Yes.
एक मेरे भाई ने मुझे किडनी दिया. So it's a living donation.
किडनी तो 2 होता है, लंग कैसे
हाँ
होता
जी.
है?
But lungs and heart, you depend on a cadaver. हम cadaver बोलते हैं.
वो क्या होता है?
That's a brain stem death donation. Let's say there is a patient who's in the ICU.
Okay.
Has got brain bleeding or whatever. एक point of time आ जाएगा उसके condition में जहाँ पे brain stem is the part over here. All the reflexes are gone.
Okay.
there are specific criteria in which you categorize this patient as brain dead patient.
Okay.
When you come and see the monitor, heart चल रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक है, but the brain is gone.
Okay.
So quite honestly, this person is
It's
dead
no
for
more.
all practical purposes. That is when the hospital, the grief counselors, the intensivists, the psychologists, everyone will start counseling the family members.
Okay.
कि ये भी एक possibility है.
Okay.
आप आपके जो भी person है उसके organs donate कर सकते हो.
Okay.
And in that grief, there are many heroic families, very noble families who decide कि हाँ ये अभी बॉडी का कोई फायदा नहीं है, लेकिन इनके ऑर्गन्स के थ्रू कोई और जी सकता है. It's a very courageous thing, I'm telling you. When you see that atmosphere, na, your eyes will well up.
You've
It's
been through
very
so many.
difficult. And that is when they make this decision. And then you have a cadaver based donation.
Okay.
और फिर हम lungs निकाल के डाल सकते हैं.
I'll deep dive into this
Sure.
a bit. So, the lung is given.
Yeah.
Is it stored? I mean, how long does it?
So usually कैसा होता है, there is something known as an ischemia time. I don't want to go into the details, but simple explanation ऐसा है. Suppose you've got a hospital in सूरत, जहाँ पे आपके पास एक कैडवर है. आपका टीम सूरत पहुंच चुका है, लंग्स निकाल रहा है, एंड जिसको आपको ट्रांसप्लांट करना है, दैट पेशेंट इज इन मुंबई.
Okay.
In the operating theater. There has to be a very strong communication between both these teams. एक टीम सूरत में है, एक टीम मुंबई में है. जब ये टीम लंग्स निकालेगा with proper preservative solutions, within 8 hours this lung has to be inside this body.
So that's the time period you have.
Yes. So for different organs it's different. For example, if you talk about a heart, it has to be within 6 hours.
Okay.
If it's lungs, it has to be within 8 hours. So ये जो communication बहुत strong है, इसके लिए very often we've got a chartered flight
Okay.
who specifically deals in transporting organs.
Okay.
We have got some of our colleagues to reduce traffic and all who have traveled in metros because you've got the organ. Sometimes the quickest way to transport and to travel is via metro. If you see city like Mumbai or Bangalore or something, इतना ट्रैफिक है, आप 2 घंटा तो आप ट्रैफिक में ही फंस जाओगे.
Right.
एंड इसमें गवर्नमेंट, इसमें पुलिस, हॉस्पिटल अथॉरिटीज, एवरीबडी combines for this. You know, very often sometimes you would have noticed, आप ट्रैफिक में हो एंड यू नो ट्रैफिक पुलिस आ गया, सबको रोक दिया, एंड यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, देयर इज नो वीआईपी मूवमेंट. सडनली यू विल सी एम्बुलेंसेस गोइंग एट हाई स्पीड. दैट इज नोन एज अ ग्रीन कॉरिडोर. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं, जब ऐसे सिचुएशन हो, दैट इज एन ऑर्गन बीइंग ट्रांसपोर्टेड. दैट ऑर्गन इज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट टाइम. It might be inconvenient for you and me because we're stuck in traffic, लेकिन वो organ उस patient में उस time में पहुंचना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So please, everyone will have to cooperate with this.
Definitely, they have to. And here, I mean, this is one situation probably you brought it to light.
Yes.
How long does it take you to do the replacement?
So, frankly, I'm not a surgeon. I'm a physician. I'm a transplant pulmonologist. But my surgical colleagues will take anywhere between 6 to 10 hours on an average to do the surgery.
Okay, that's the time
And
period.
it depends. आप एक लंग भी कर सकते हो, आप दोनों लंग्स भी कर सकते हो. कुछ केसेस में you do a heart and lung transplant. So आपको वो भी करना है. So depends on what is the surgery. Depends कि आपके जो recipient जो है उसका condition क्या है, how sick that person is. There are a lot of these factors, but on an average आप समझ लीजिए 6 to 10 hours.
Thank you. That's a super information. How often should a healthy adult or a child should have a lung, like in a checkup done?
I would say annually.
Annually.
Once is okay. For a healthy person, once in a year is okay. See, to be very honest, a lot of hospitals have got these health checkup plans and details. Not only the lungs, all the systems. Please go for it.
And what do they do in that? It's just
So
that
different
stress test
blood
and
test
all.
रहेगा. So for the lung specifically, I'm saying you've got something known as a lung function test.
Okay.
It's known as a spirometry. So it's like a machine in which you're supposed to blow in a certain specific manner, which tells us numerically what is your lung function. Little name ही है lung function test. तो उस percentage, उस numericals के हिसाब से हमें समझ में आता है whether you've got any problem or not. And plus, of course, we've got a general chest X-ray. So we understand broadly whether there is any problem or not.
People taking cortisol, that's the word used, right? When this, the
Inhaler.
asthma inhalers,
Inhalers, yeah.
when they take inhalers, this is a common thing.
Yeah.
Which people take, but that's, I mean, I have people in the family do that. When is that situation go into an advanced stage? Is there any way to stop it? Because it said asthma doesn't have any cure. So is there a way to probably handle this when it goes into from chronic lung disease to something really advanced?
So there are two concepts in this. Asthma per se does not need lung transplantation.
No, I'm not talking about lung
Yeah.
transplant. I'm just jumping the topic. Into
So when it becomes worse,
Yeah.
there are certain parameters that you will understand, that the person who's suffering will understand.
Oh.
Number one, no relief with the same dose of inhalers.
Okay.
Number two, you are much more breathless clinically. थोड़ी भी एक्टिविटी करो आपको नहीं हो रहा है. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, आप 3 माला चढ़ रहे हो, अचानक आप 2 पे ही, you're like, let me wait, let me catch my breath. So you understand that the disease is progressing. Number 3, you do a chest X-ray, you do this lung function test. That number will tell me.
Okay.
Number 4, everyone knows what is a pulse oximeter during COVID. सबको पता
Right,
रहेगा. सबके घर पे था. So the pulse oximeter measurement also for me is very important.
Okay.
Normally it's 99, 98. आज अचानक आप आ रहे हो 85 है, so there's something wrong. आपके शरीर में ऑक्सीजन कम है. So all of these parameters में we understand whether a respiratory disease is progressing or not.
Okay.
And then you have to evaluate कि what is the reason.
Take your
It can be anything. It can be that आपके घर पे कोई construction चल रहा है, there's a constant source जो कर रहा है. Very often we see that people don't take their treatment at all. It's a very sad thing, but inhalers के बारे में लोगों को बहुत ऐसा है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, you know, अगर मैं सबके सामने एक inhaler लेके मैं puff मार दिया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, समाज क्या कहेगा. You will be surprised people have got all these conceptions, you know, misconceptions, sorry.
But it's helpful. I mean, I think this, when I was growing up,
Yes.
I had severe asthma and bronchitis, but through workout and exercise, I kind of almost eradicated it for my own self.
Good.
And which I feel is people are using it more because of the pollution levels have increased from those times. So, is there a permanent solution for something like asthma?
No. You will have to control the disease.
Right.
So आपको भी मैं बोलूँगा still have an annual checkup, but you will have to control. And everything that you've done, kept yourself
Fit. working
physically
up-
fit.
Yes.
You are, I think, spiritually also in a different zone, I'll say that. Do all of that. But still, once a year...
That's
get
what I
yourself
do. Usually I do a checkup. That's very important for whatever lifestyle you're having.
Perfect.
If you give me 3 life-saving rules for lungs, you know, what are those which you tell me like?
So, number 1, please do not smoke at all.
Okay.
Okay, it is actually life saving. Number 2, keep yourself physically fit. Okay, lungs per se will not have any specific dedicated exercise, but all these deep breathing, pranayams and all of that will definitely help in lung health. Third, if you've got the slightest issue, please directly reach a specialist. The reason I'm harping on this third point, this is I think the third time I've mentioned this,
Yes,
but
yes.
the problem is you will be surprised that people absolutely do not reach a specialist in our country. कहाँ ना कहाँ लोकल दिखा देते, बंद, सेकेंड डायरेक्टली केमिस्ट के पास चले जाते, फिर बंद. बाय द टाइम दीज पेशेंट्स एक्चुअली रीच अस, इट्स टू लेट. सो मैं ये पॉइंट, आई एम रिपीटेडली हार्पिंग ऑन दिस. प्लीज रीच अ स्पेशलिस्ट एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल. इफ द टेस्ट आर नॉर्मल, इट्स गुड, बट यू नो कोई पकड़ में अगर आया है तो इट्स बेटर टू स्टार्ट ट्रीटमेंट प्रॉपरली right at the beginning and have a proper follow-up.
15 years is almost when you've been practicing.
Hanji.
You've seen it worsening also when it comes to lungs because of all the reasons what we have.
100%. So pollution is one of the reasons which has definitely, you know, worsened things. And in our country, unfortunately, you started off by saying pulmonology, you know, ये जो शब्द जो है, post-COVID, we have definitely seen an increased awareness. Definitely. There is no doubt about it. But the very fact that it took COVID for people to understand the importance is sad.
Yes.
और पिछले 2 साल में एयर पोल्यूशन के कारण लोग एयर प्यूरिफायर के बारे में बहुत सवाल पूछते, करना चाहिए, ये है वो है, ऐसे सब जो है ना छोटे छोटे जो चीज़ें हैं. सो डेफिनेटली लंग हेल्थ राइट नाउ हैज बिकम अ टॉकिंग पॉइंट.
Recently there was this one very influential guy, he keeps himself young, Brian or something was.
Brian Johnson. Correct.
Brian Johnson was in India and he just walked out of the podcast saying that
Correct.
India ka pollution level is so high.
Correct.
So does it mean that apna pollution is really high though in metros outside the country?
It's really high. What he's saying, see, we have seen this so often. We have seen these foreign delegates or whoever, they come for a conference. They land in India, the minute they come out of the airport, till the time they reach the hotel or whatever, they start getting a bit, stuffy हो रहा है, back of throat थोड़ा irritate हो रहा है. We understand because उनके लिए normal AQI is 5, 10. They are just living in that. आज actually मुंबई का outside AQI, मैं podcast के just पहले मैं check किया, is 118. लेकिन मैं आपको सवाल पूछता हूँ, are you having any symptoms?
No.
I am not having any. Are you having? No. Both of us are not. Because our body is getting used to it.
Is it a good sign or bad?
It's a bad sign.
Because
We do not know what is clean air. ये problem है.
अच्छा.
And this is not a winter problem. हाँ, मतलब लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ winter है, oh my god, ऐसा वैसा नहीं. This is throughout the year.
एक थोड़ा odd question है.
हाँ जी.
After the COVID situation, have our lungs gone really bad than before? I don't know. I mean, I'm just asking like.
No. My answer is no.
Okay.
जैसे lungs थे वैसे ही
है अभी भी.
Yeah. I don't think so. Those who have suffered from COVID, some of them, very few percentage of them, do have a remnant of COVID. You know, post-COVID, थोड़ा lung में fibrosis जैसा scar है, but that's a very small percentage.
Recently I don't get cold so often, but I had cold for a few days and I lost my sense of smell.
Correct.
मुझे लगा वापस कोविड हुआ है करके. ये हो रहा है क्या अभी?
बहुत ही sporadic कोविड के केसेस आ रहे, बट राइट नाउ जो कोविड भी दिख रहे, दे आर वेरी माइल्ड एंड ऑल.
So-
अनलेस यू एक्टिवली टेस्ट फॉर इट, होता नहीं है.
So this comes back to the question again. Are we getting better as human beings with हमारे Indians जिनका lung capacity is better, though whatever pollution we are getting used to it, because that's what happened with my sister when she was there in the hospitals. They said she lived for 2-3 years. By then her lungs had got used to breathing in that.
दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. मैं पहले भी बोला था, सहन शक्ति जो है इंडियन पॉपुलेशन में एक्चुअली बहुत
ज़्यादा है.
See, I'll tell you one thing. 90% of your heart artery is blocked. You'll have a symptom right now. You'll rush to the hospital. बट लंग फंक्शन आपका जो नॉर्मली 80-85% रहना चाहिए, आज मैं आपको बोल दूं कि भाई आपका लंग फंक्शन 50% है, यू विल स्टिल गो ऑन विथ योर डे टू डे रूटीन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
पता नहीं चलता है.
आप नहीं करोगे. वी जस्ट यूज्ड टू इट. एंड यू सी इन द सिटीज वी आर यूज्ड टू अ हसल लाइफ.
Yes.
फास्ट पेस्ड है, चलना है, काम करना है आपको, यू नो. तो आप नजरअंदाज कर देते हो.
Here are quick questions to you.
या
30 years back, what our lungs were is not so good right now.
110% I agree with you. I have got my colleagues who are working in Medanta thoracic surgery department. मेरे फ्रेंड का नाम है डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन पुरी. He had come on my podcast and he had got a photo. He told me that पहले जब 20-30 साल, see they are thoracic surgeons, so they open and operate the lung every day.
अच्छा.
तो उसने मुझे वही बताया था कि their experience is that 20-30 years back when they used to open the lung used to be nice and pink. God's color, एकदम ऐसा, how it's meant to be. आज वो बोलते हैं कि आप कहाँ से भी आप देखो, आप ओपन करो, complete black patches everywhere. It's completely because of pollution. And if you see, पहाड़ियों से जो आ रहे थोड़ा बेटर है, रूरल पार्ट से थोड़ा बेटर है, बट सिटी के जो पेशेंट्स है, ही इज लाइक नाउ दिस हैज जस्ट बिकम अ कॉमन फिनोमेनन. और हम क्लिनिकली भी हम देख रहे, स्पेशली केसेस ऑफ लंग कैंसर, द डेमोग्राफी इज चेंजिंग. आप probably when I was giving my MD exam, if you were at that point of time 15 years back, if you would have asked me कि भैया एक textbook patient of lung cancer कैसा है, I will tell you elderly, you know, male who's a chronic smoker, 60s, 70s, that is a prototype of a lung cancer patient. आज आप देखो almost 30-35% of cancer is in women, and cancer, lung cancer is getting younger. We are seeing patients in 30s, 40s, and believe me, when they ask, and non-smokers, they are non-smokers, and they ask us, sir, क्यों हुआ? We have no answer.
What can we do as a country to this for a situation like
First of all, we understand that this is a grave problem. Our problem is कि हम अभी तक मान ही नहीं रहे हैं कि एयर पोल्यूशन एक क्राइसिस है.
that? एक तो कार से अपने
ये है इंडस्ट्रियल जो है, मैं बोलूंगा कि जो पोल्यूटेंट्स जो आ रहा है, देयर हैज टू बी अ स्ट्रिक्टर नॉर्म्स फॉर इट. नंबर 3, आपने करेक्ट बोला, आपने कार्स का जिक्र बोला. यस, ईवी इज द वे फॉरवर्ड एंड आई बिलीव दैट दिस गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू पुश ईवी.
absolutely.
बट ईवी आई फील इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अलोंग विद इट. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आपको चाहिए, बैटरीज आपको उस हिसाब से चाहिए, एंड बैटरी बनाने का तरीका इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इट कैन बी पॉसिबल दैट बैटरी बनाने का तरीका का जो फैक्ट्रीज है, they are releasing more pollution, so it's beating the purpose. But I believe EV is definitely the way forward. Fourth is clamp on indoor air pollution, which all of us are at individual level. Fifth is, I believe दो चीज हमको याद रखना है, धूल and धुआं. Any source of धूल, any source of धुआं, we have to combat. Most frequent is construction sites. आप मुंबई में आप किधर भी आप जाइए, you tell me one place जहाँ पे construction नहीं हो रहा है.
But now they started putting up that one board which has got those. But how does that help?
It doesn't help.
It is just showing us that कि pollution इस जगह पे ज़्यादा है.
जैसे मैंने आपको सवाल पूछा PM 2.5 क्या है, you were like, यार I don't know about that. I'm telling you, people do not know.
We don't know, but those are all just numbers.
I would replace the PM 2.5 with cigarettes. See, suppose I tell you, आज आप चल रहे हो, यहाँ से आप पॉडकास्ट के बाद आप घर जा रहे हो, आपके घर के बाहर एक बोर्ड है जहाँ पे डिजिटली PM 2.5 है, नीचे एक मैसेज लिखा हुआ है, congratulations, you are smoking 8 cigarettes today. Don't you think that will start a conversation?
Superb, yes.
That will start a conversation. People will get scared. And कभी कभी डर फैलाना भी जरूरी है. I'm sorry I'm making this statement, but डर फैलाना भी जरूरी है. I would request everyone to change the PM 2.5, probably display the PM 2.5 number, but add that congratulations, today you are smoking 10 cigarettes.
Perfect.
And I am telling you, you see the way people will change.
But people, see, these are very commercial related stuff, जहाँ पे building खड़ा कर रहे हैं and all that. But उसको change करने के लिए it has to happen on national or probably the state level also. So, anyway, irrespective, I didn't expect an answer for that, but
I believe it's a responsibility of every single person. आपका, मेरा भी है, government का भी है. Construction sites, in fact, are supposed to follow rules and regulations while constructing. They are supposed to have a green color parda. They are supposed to have proper jet sprays and all. No one does it. आप मुझे बताइए कितने फॉलो करते हैं? No one does it. You go to a metro construction site today, you show me where it's not there.
No.
And the problem is, I am not against urbanization, first of all.
Yes.
But it has to be a planned urbanization. I will hate to be in Mr. Devendra Fadnavis's shoes right now, because एक तरफ से लोग डेवलपमेंट भी मांग रहे, जितना कर रहे पोल्यूशन भी हो रहा है. बट अगर ये प्लान्ड तरीके में हो, 10 मेट्रो लाइन साथ में कंस्ट्रक्ट होके थोड़ा थोड़ा करके छोड़ दियो. So I believe, take one project, do it properly, follow the guidelines, follow the green color completely, traffic divert kar do, stop everything. I'm telling you, it will help.
What is the biggest mistake we all do for our lungs? Like, what is the thing which we are not doing it right? One thing. आपने बहुत सारी चीज बताया, but what is one thing which we should stop?
Can I take two?
Two, yeah, please.
Smoking in any form. Hookah ho, vapes ho, cigarette ho, that's number one. Number two is not giving air pollution the importance that it deserves. These are two things जो मुझे लग रहा है हम आज गलत कर रहे हैं.
So mask, is it okay because it's not fashionable, but should we go back to wearing mask when we are out?
Frankly, if I ask you to wear this mask for 4 hours continuously, will you be able to wear it?
We hated it.
These are all temporary solutions for a permanent problem. Masks, indoor air plants, plants जो भी है, purifiers, ये सारे temporary solution है. These are not sustainable. Yes, if it's a heavy duty, आप पहनो, it's better, but ये temporary एक measure हो गया है. इतनी बड़ी हॉल में आप अगर एक एयर प्यूरिफायर उधर पे ऑन करके यू फील अरे वाह बहुत हो गया, इट्स नॉट गोना डू एनीथिंग. हाउ मच ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन कैन अफोर्ड एयर प्यूरिफायर्स? फिल्टर्स उसका रेगुलरली क्लीन करना है, जो कोई बताते नहीं. इफ यू डोंट क्लीन द फिल्टर्स इट बिकम्स अ डर्टी फायर. सो दिस, इसके लिए टू थिंग्स जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इसका आई टोल्ड यू, स्मोकिंग डेफिनेटली, एयर पोल्यूशन, यू गिव एयर पोल्यूशन द इंपॉर्टेंस, सोल्यूशंस अपने आप आते रहेंगे.
वन मैसेज फॉर ऑल आवर लिसनर्स.
what I think Kamlaksh Bhai started. Please give pulmonology the respect it deserves. Lung health is extremely important, extremely critical. Please reach a specialist the moment you feel something is going wrong.
Superb. Thank you so much. It's been such a wonderful day having you on the show. And thank you so much for coming. You all, we need to watch his show also. Lot of knowledge sharing which happens on your show. Dr. Kapil, thank you.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Kamlaksh Bhai, for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Your lungs work 24/7. It's time we worked for them too. So make sure you like, share and subscribe of whatever we do. And this is Kamlaksh Shetty, who's on air. Thank you so much for watching.